Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another inspired look for you, and actually, I have like a whole, what do you call, like plastic sleeve with inspired looks that I want to do, looks that I've seen on video games or in books, or just, like celebrities that I want to recreate, whatever. And I've had this one from a magazine. I think this is, yeah, LUK. I had this whole page and I was like, yeah, well, which one did I want to do? Like I didn't mark it. Actually, I think I want to do this one here, the blue one. Let me zoom in. See this one? I recently did a blue look, so I'll link that here in the info card. So I think I want to do green. So basically this color, but with this look. It's very like editorial, obviously. Like, I mean, if you want to wear this, good for you. I would not go out with so much eyeshadow on. I'm going to use the Hassin 2 palette, which I've read that Blush Drop is actually closing down. They're not producing anything anymore, which is weird. Hold on. So yeah, they are closing down, which is very sad because I love this palette. They also have a bunch of other palettes. I would have loved to get some, but I have a whole like shelf with with my makeup on, and one whole row is just full of eyeshadow palettes, and I think that's a bit too much. I would have loved to get some more, but I only got this one, which is my favorite. So this is what it looks like, in case you haven't seen this. I think I'm going to use Maya, because I really like that shade. It was either going to be Erin or Maya, and I think I'm going for Maya because there's a nice dip, and maybe I'm going to hit pan. I'm always thinking about my project pan, not project pan palette. Anyways, so let's get started. Wait, hold on. Where's this from? GCDS. Is that a brand? Is it a fashion brand? No. Like she has like very thick all over, like basically very low on the eyes, basically like here. And then we'll see. So, do you remember this one? I'm going to use the only side that's still free, and I will put some water on it. Now this is a setting spray that I use up and I put water in. I'm just gonna try that out, just like this. That's such a beautiful shade, oh my god. Yeah, just all over the lid. And then I will blend it in with another brush. I've already talked way too long. Oh my god, yes. I don't even need the water. Also, my eyes are very sensitive and watery because allergies, makeup. I think my mascara was off, so I might have a little bit of a reaction. Maybe I should have not used the side where on the other side is blue, so just still packing that on. Let me get a brush. I'm gonna use my, maybe not, hold on. Oh, I think I'm gonna use this one. It looks a bit small, but I think it's nice. Like if I use a big fluffy brush, it would just blend out too much. So I want like that nice vibrant color. I want that very focused on, basically like a bit above the crease. So I'm using this one. This is by Maybelline. Doesn't really have a number. So a bit higher than the crease. Should be here. It's not even blended in, and I assume that it is somewhat of a liquid eyeshadow or something because it looks like it's not gonna budge. This probably will, but we're gonna deal with it anyways. Also, all in over here. So, let me know, how are you holding up? Is the lockdown still going on in your country? Like I said a bazillion times, it is lifted over here and it's so nice. I'm also doing the other eyes. They're connected over here. I'm basically just tapping that on. Ooh, I like that. So lockdown is lifted. My boyfriend and I actually went shopping for the first time together in like 2 months yesterday, and it was actually nice. Like, just there wasn't a lot going on. People were respecting the 2-meter distance. They were respecting each other. When you walked into the aisle, they like pushed a bit to the side. So like it's actually nice. I'm actually surprised that we are actually, for the first time and ever, listening to the government and actually doing what they tell us, you know, we're actually following the rules. I never thought that was possible, but here we are. And also this actually goes out like this. Ooh. I don't know if you can really tell what I'm doing here. Okay, let's quickly do the other eye. You know what my boyfriend and I have been doing? We go hiking. Now you probably wonder, oh, that's not a big deal. I don't like walking. I mean, walking was something that I only did on vacation, especially when we went to, well, we always went to Riccione, which is close to Rimini, Italy. And that's when we did the walk, you know, like when we were laying on the beach, like around like 11 or 11:15 or so, we actually walked to a little shop, you know, little grocery store where you got, you know, snacks and whatever. Just, I mean, the thing is, obviously, you could have booked a hotel where you get lunch. We didn't do that because, I mean, you're already laying on the beach. Like, you have to go back to the hotel, dress up because you can't have lunch in a bikini or in like swim shorts, and then eat and then undress and then go back to the beach. Like, that's just too much trouble. Who does that? I mean, if you do it, good for you, but I just don't. So the only thing we did, we actually went to that grocery store, got a few snacks. I love those Kinder Paradiso ones. I would put them here. These are so good. And you can only get them in Italy. And Switzerland, I think. I'm not really sure, but what the hell? They're so good. Basically like a little lemon cake, if that makes sense. And it's so good. Oh god. Yeah, you can only get them in Italy, which is great, but it's also bad. So, anyways, I don't really like walking. But given the fact that it's a nice weather and it's nice to be out for once, you know, after being stuck at home for like 2 months, I'm going with him. I'm going on a hike. I took a bunch of beautiful pictures, and you would think that, oh my god, they were probably on vacation. No, that's actually right outside. I know it's such a cliche to say, but nature is beautiful. And I've seen a bunch of beautiful places that I never knew. Well, I don't want to say I never knew they existed, but I never went there, you know what I mean? If you want to go out, then go. You know, like, who's holding you back? I still haven't hit pan. And I've used quite a lot of this color. Such a shame they're closing down, oh my god. You can see the dip, right? Ow, I just hit myself, Jesus. But yeah, no pan, which is great because it shows you that there's a lot in. How much is in here? It's 28 grams. Yeah, but that's like, you know, in total, but I actually will like it. Okay. Okay, so let me clean this up very quickly. Okay, so this is basically it. I cleaned up my under eyes, and as you can see, there was a bunch of fallout, which was expected. It's also very hard to move. Goes to show that, like I said, that palette is top quality. I love it. Yeah, I put some concealer on, not too much mascara, and then I clear lip gloss because my lips are fucked. I think it's because, like, over here you have to wear a mask if you go grocery shopping, or if you can't guarantee that there will be a 2-meter distance. So let's say you walk the dog like I do. Technically you don't have to wear a mask, but if you meet someone on the street, you know, on the sidewalk, you have to wear it, you have to pull it up. Because our sidewalks are not that wide, you can't guarantee a 2-meter distance, so it's weird. So technically you always have to wear it. So yeah, my lips are messed up. Just I have breakouts from the mask because, you know, when you go grocery shopping, I don't know about you, but I take longer than 5 minutes when I go grocery shopping. So having that on all the time, and then I have glasses on as well. When I breathe out, like, it's foggy, if you know what I mean. You know, I'm not gonna complain. I'm happy we can go out. I'm happy the lockdown is lifted. I think restaurants will follow like around early June. Yes, and apparently you can go on vacation to Italy in June. I already wrote my boyfriend, andiamo alla spiaggia. You know, let's go to the beach because I need that. Anyway, this is the avant-garde look. I love that color. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. I don't know how long. They have like a sale going on, you know, like the last final sale. Check out that brand, it's amazing. I'm sad it's actually done, but yeah, it's also cruelty free and vegan, so it's great. Okay, so that was it. I don't know if I really recreated the look. I kind of did. It's definitely a bit more messy. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Would you actually wear this out? I mean, now that I look at it, I mean, if it wasn't for those spikes or whatever you call them, maybe I would wear it out. I'm still green over here. Can you tell? Jesus, I just covered it up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. That will help me out very much. And I'll see you next one. Bye. Yeah, I brought out, this is paper. This is like bank stuff that I have to file. Why do I have that here? I don't know. My microphone has fuss all over. Is this ASMR already? I don't know.